How to use LinkedIn events to network online. So first of all, get to your LinkedIn, and then from here tap on the post right here. Then simply tap on the calendar icon right here, and then from here you can now create your event. So you can select it, whether it's online or in person, and you can name the event, date and time, add external event link, and you can add descriptions to the event. So after doing that, what you can do is simply invite your target network. Use the invite tool in order to do that and send targeted messages, post to your feed. And then what you can do is drive pre-event engagement, post in the event feed, encourage into threads, and share speakers spotlights. After doing all of that, lastly, what you can do is network during and after event. Call out attendances and then connect with participants, and lastly, follow up instantly. Send a thank you for attending message to active participants within 24 hours to keep the conversation going. And by doing all of these, you'll be able to use LinkedIn events to network online, and that's it.